And here is the lovely Melissa, or lemon balm, common name, and it often is called Melissa because of its botanical name, Melissa officinalis. So this big pot here, I have lots of Melissa, and I'm just wanting to get here today to just show you what this plant looks like once it is about to go to flower. Because if you want to limit how many billions of Melissa plants you have, or buckets of Melissa plants, I happen to love it, which is why there's a whole third pot. And then over here, another healthy one. Here as well. And here. And the last one I'll show you here in a moment is what it looks like when it is just about to flower. And the reason you want to know what it looks like when it is about to flower is so that you can clip off those stems so that the seeds don't go everywhere, because you will have Melissa coming up everywhere. It's not a bad thing, but it is in the mint family, so it will go far and wide. So there's a little bit here showing in this plant. I've already gathered all of the Melissa once, and this is the second growth. So you see how there are more and more branches coming out, and then these little flower heads that will indeed flower into a white flower when they go full blown. Those are the flower heads. That's not a flower, that's just something else that's landed on it. But here is this entire group, which there are, let's see, I guess there's only 1, 2, 3, about 4 plants in here, but you can see how these flower branches are coming onto, boy, it's hard to see, with what they do is they show up right at the node where the leaves are coming out of the stem. And there's that. Come on, come on. But those tiny ones coming out of the junction where the leaf is off of the stem, those are the flowers. And you can see here, this one is already starting to flower. The little white bits on there are the flowers. So I will cut these. You can use the stems and the leaves for aromatic purposes. I wouldn't use them for a tea just because they're kind of, quote, old in the sense of the plant and as far as how long they've been growing, and they just don't have as much of their medicinal oomph as they would. And that's good to know and note as well, is that once a plant goes to flower, that's signaling the end of their cycle. That, okay, we're done now. We've done our job. And so grab these guys, cut them off at the base if you don't want to have Melissa growing all in your yard area, etc. They travel a long ways. Such a beautiful plant, though, for so many reasons, both culinarily and medicinally. Enjoy your lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. Keep growing.